Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Prime Speak English channel. I'm Luna.
Hi, Luna. Hi, everyone. Today we have a really fun and practical topic for beginners.
That's right, Alisa. We're going to talk about our daily routines, all the things we do every day.
So, Luna, what do you usually do in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That's a good time. I sometimes wake up a little earlier, around 6:30. You're an early bird.
Oh, after I wake up, I get out of bed and stretch a little.
Me too. Then I usually go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I go to the kitchen. What do you do in the kitchen, Alisa?
I usually make breakfast. I often have coffee and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit too.
I usually have tea and cereal. Then I get dressed.
That means you put on your clothes?
Yes, and if I'm going out, I put on my shoes and coat.
Do you ever exercise in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I do a short 10-minute workout. And you?
I like to do yoga for about 15 minutes. It wakes me up.
Then I usually leave the house. Where do you go?
I usually go to work too. I work in a small office, but sometimes I work from home.
What do you do at work, Alisa?
At work, I usually sit at my desk and answer emails. I also write reports.
I do the same. Sometimes I also have meetings with my team.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, usually around 12:30. I eat a sandwich or a salad. And you?
I usually have soup and bread. Sometimes I go out with colleagues.
After lunch, I go back to my desk and continue working. I sometimes read articles for work too.
I often have to make phone calls in the afternoon. It keeps me busy.
Around 4:30, I start wrapping up my work and planning for the next day.
Me too. And sometimes I take a short walk before leaving the office.
What do you do after work, Alisa?
I usually go home and relax for a while. I watch TV or listen to music.
I like to cook dinner. Sometimes I try new recipes.
That's nice. I usually have dinner around 7:30.
Me too. After dinner, I like to read a book or sometimes play a game on my computer.
Do you exercise in the evening too?
Sometimes, if I didn't exercise in the morning, I go for a short run or do push-ups.
What do you do before going to bed, Luna?
I usually brush my teeth again, wash my face, and then I go to bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
That's a good time. I usually go to bed a little later, around 11:30.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read a little. It helps me relax.
Read before bed? I usually fall asleep with my phone in hand. This is Prime Speak English.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.
Yes, your support is very important for us.
You can learn simple English here.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.